Listen to me closely. You do not need to win every shoe. I want you to really let that sink in for a second. Ask yourself, do you need to win every shoe? Because here is the reality. Most Baccarat players out there, they think they need to win every single session. They think they have to catch every single hot streak. And the moment they drop a hand, they feel this desperate, urgent need to recover every loss immediately. It's a big mistake. Let me be absolutely clear with you. You do not need perfection to create life-changing results from Baccarat. You just don't. You only need consistent execution over time. Just think about it like this. A few controlled, profitable sessions per week while protecting your bankroll properly, that alone can completely change your financial situation over the long term. And honestly, that's it. That is the secret. You see, most players lose because they overplay, they over-risk, and they just overreact emotionally when things don't go exactly their way. But the players who actually survive long-term, the ones who really make it, they understand something incredibly important. They understand that small, consistent profits compound. And you know what the craziest part of all this is? Consistency actually becomes so much easier once you finally stop chasing those huge, massive wins every single day. Today, you have unprecedented access to knowledge. You have endless free resources at your fingertips, hard data, structured learning, and proven strategies that actually work. With all of that sitting right there in front of you, there is almost no excuse to keep gambling blindly anymore. None at all. So here is your blueprint. Learn discipline, protect the bankroll, master your execution, and then just let time work in your favor. Listen, if you have the bankroll, you need to invest in knowledge, invest in structure, and in discipline, because there is absolutely no reward for gambling blindly and suffering completely unnecessary losses. It all comes down to this. The serious players, the ones who truly master this game, they always choose long-term comfort over short-term emotional decisions.
So, what are you going to choose? Take this blueprint, apply it, because true knowledge is power.